Hello, welcome to another session with me, Aruna Dontabhaktuni. In today's lesson, we would learn how to use loop using while. Before we get there, let's have a quick recap of the for command. As you will recall from one of our previous lessons, we can use for when we are looking at multiple rows. So in this particular case, let's say we are looking for getting the data from rows 1 through 6 and we are printing that information. So the way while would work is that you can practically do the same. However, you can have an initialization statement followed by a condition, followed by the body. Let's now decipher this a little bit closely. We first have assigned a loop variable, that's the row, which is going to initialize your loop, followed by the while statement, in which case you're actually giving a condition. And in this case, the condition is that when the row is less than or equal to 6, then is the body of the command. And in this case, we are asking R to print the data from the Indomath data set. And the last row is the loop command, in which case we are actually making the command go through as a loop till that condition is met. So let's execute that and look at the output. All right. So as you can see, we specifically wanted this to be only to go up to row 6, and that's your output. You could use the same to make this a little bit more complicated. For instance, something as the value of your data could also be used. So in this particular case, we could use something like time, which is less than 1.2, and once we run this, you would see that it's only going to pick those data points which meet that requirement. So that's it for today's lesson. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our future tutorials.